Today we are going to talk about more about studies in Germany. Since we all know Germany में studies is free. Free ऐसा नहीं है. There are no tuition fees basically.
The entry is not that much. Just I had required only an IELTS of a minimum score of 7.5.
Okay.
That's the minimum. So for any universities, or there if you don't.
Hello.
Hello.
Where you come from?
India.
From India.
India. India. Oh.
I think मैंने उसको बहुत सताया. एक वीडियो के बाद मैंने उसको बोला.
Nothing like that.
Because उसके साथ वाला वो वाला वीडियो मेरा थोड़ा चला. So I was behind him. नहीं मेरे को और एक वीडियो चाहिए तेरे साथ. So
So hi guys, welcome back to Shraddha's channel and hope you guys are doing well back in India and stay safe and just don't go out of the house as I heard that the virus is becoming really bad these days. So stay safe and back to her.
yeah, and so he's back again to my channel guys. So I think आप लोगों को पता होगा कौन है ये. मैंने इसके साथ एक वीडियो डेफिनेटली किया था. हर्षल और ही इज हर्षल एंड हर्षल वेलकम बैक वंस
Thank you very much.
So मैंने इसके साथ वीडियो किया था रिगार्डिंग स्टूडेंट वीजा बिकॉज ये लास्ट मंथ ही हैम्बर्ग आया एंड आफ्टर दैट यू नो हम लोगों ने मैंने उसको पूछा था. सो अगर आप लोगों ने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा होगा डेफिनेटली डू चेक इट गाइस. यहाँ पे फ्लैश हो रहा होगा लिंक ऊपर. सो आज मैंने सोचा सॉरी हर्षल को बोलूँ हाँ वो क्या बोलूँ मैं तो मैंने सोचा हर्षल के साथ ऑब्वियसली एक स्टडी वाला वीडियो करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो टुडे हम लोग बात करेंगे रिगार्डिंग MBA बिकॉज हर्षल ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे MBA कर रहा है. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट गाइज राइट.
Yes,
लेट्स स्टार्ट इट.
definitely.
So los geht's Leute. Today we are going to talk about more about studies in Germany. Since we all know Germany में studies is free. Free ऐसा नहीं है. There are no tuition fees basically. And Germany is known basically for its you know good quality of education. चाहे वो MBA से हो या engineering हो. For everywhere because Germany is a land of automotive. Germany is a land of what do you say engineering, logistics, trade. Basically Germany is everything.
Especially for mechanical engineers.
Yeah, mechanical engineers because BMW और Volkswagen का land है Germany, Daimler, Mercedes. So yeah, coming back to अपना point, हम लोग अपने टॉपिक से नहीं तो मैं हट जाऊंगी दूसरे ट्रैक पे जा रही हूँ. So yeah, coming back. जैसे कि मैंने कहा आज का वीडियो स्पेशली मुझे MBA के ऊपर करना था बिकॉज यू नो हर्षल बहुत लोगों ने क्वेश्चन पूछा रिगार्डिंग MBA की MBA जर्मनी में हाउ टू डू इट लाइक व्हाट आर द थिंग्स एंड ऑल. सो हर्षल MBA में तुम क्या सीख रहे हो यहाँ पे?
So I'm studying MBA in supply chain management.
Yeah.
So yeah, and supply chain management in Hamburg is the best thing to do. Anyone is planning to come here, supply chain is a must because you get a lot of exposure and you get like क्या बोलते हैं उसको ports है इधर, the containers companies are here and many more. So apart, I think Hamburg is definitely the place for supply chain.
सप्लाई चेन. मुझे सप्लाई चेन के बारे में आपको बोलना है बिकॉज सिंस इट इज माई फील्ड ऑफ जॉब इवन आई एम वर्किंग फॉर द सेम फील्ड लॉजिस्टिक्स फील्ड. तो ये तो मैं बाद में डेफिनेटली मेरे नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू में कवर करूंगी मेरा फील्ड क्या है और क्या नहीं मेरे बहुत सब्सक्राइबर होने के बाद मैं कौन सा जॉब कर रही हूँ और क्या कर रही हूँ. बट राइट नाउ बात करते हैं SCM के बारे में सप्लाई चेन. तो ये आज का टॉपिक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है मेरे फील्ड का टॉपिक है और हम लोग सप्लाई चेन इज बेसिकली मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल नो इट ऑलरेडी बट जिनको नहीं पता है मैं सिर्फ एक आइडिया देती हूँ. सो सप्लाई चेन इज नथिंग इज जस्ट मूवमेंट ऑफ मटेरियल और गुड्स फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन टू द डेस्टिनेशन. And in whole this process, you know, there are a lot of things involved, right from procurement, you know, transportation, or you say finance, HR. There are all kind of different process going on. There are a lot of SAP things also, na SAP consultants job.
Yes.
So it is a vast process when it comes to supply chain management.
And I would suggest you guys that please learn SAP before you do any of your course. It might be easier for you to get a job in Hamburg or any part of the supply chain management course.
Actually, my next question was going to be about
Okay.
that only. So good you raised this point. So yeah, so ये था कुछ something regarding supply chain. And now the other thing, Harshil, why you choose basically Hamburg in Germany to come here?
See, since my field is, I've told in the previous few minutes back that supply chain is the best for Hamburg itself.
Yeah.
So I definitely thought my career opportunities are so vast over here. So I felt that if I do my career over here and then start my job,
Okay.
so it might be easier for me. So because I'll get hands-on experience. I feel in my internship times.
Indeed. So जैसे कि अभी हर्षल ने कहा why Hamburg, because ये तो आप देख रहे हो पीछे टुडे आज हम लोग आए हैं पोर्ट एरिया में और लैंडसब्रुक करके हैम्बर्ग का बिगेस्ट पोर्ट एरिया है और सी आप देख ही सकते हो शिप एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग है यहाँ पे. सो जैसे कि हर्षल ने कहा वाई हैम्बर्ग और मैंने उसको पूछा हैम्बर्ग और मैं भी लॉजिस्टिक्स और इस डिपार्टमेंट में ही काम करती हूँ. सो हैम्बर्ग इज अ प्लेस, हैम्बर्ग इज अ सिटी. मेरे बहुत वीडियोस में मैंने हैम्बर्ग हमेशा बोला हुआ है. सो हैम्बर्ग इज अ पोर्ट, इज बेसिकली यूरोप का थर्ड लार्जेस्ट पोर्ट है आफ्टर रॉटरडैम एंड आफ्टर एंटवर्प. एंड यू सी यही वो पोर्ट एरिया है लैंडसब्रुक करके जहाँ पे वर्ल्ड के बिगेस्ट कंटेनर शिप आते हैं. नॉट ओनली दैट, सो यू नो व्हाट, दैट्स द रीजन हैम्बर्ग में इज लॉट ऑफ स्कोप फॉर यू टू से फॉर लॉजिस्टिक्स, फॉर सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट, फॉर फॉरवर्डर्स, लाइक ऑल लॉजिस्टिक्स रिलेटेड जॉब. हैम्बर्ग में देयर इज लॉट ऑफ स्कोप. सो ऑब्वियसली यू नो जर्मनी में भी आप जब भी देखते हो, so Germany maybe different countries has different cities has different specification. For example, South Germany is known for majority of automobiles because most of the automobiles are there in South Germany, right? So yeah, and that's why Hamburg ka speciality hai, and that's why when he told he came for supply chain, I told he has chosen the right place, man. So yes, this was something regarding supply chain and why he chose Hamburg. So if you guys are planning to do MBA in supply chain, I would tell you which are the cities basically. So for supply chain in Hamburg, SEM basically, there are three main cities where you get, obviously there are many universities in Germany, but the place in, okay, what do you say, in regards to your job opportunities or something, you will find more of job opportunities in this field, especially in Hamburg, and then Bremerhaven and Bremen. So Bremerhaven is also one of the biggest port area and it is one of our port because I work for the logistics for the shipping line, so I know we deal every day with these things. So मुझे इसके बारे में पता है and that's the reason these are the three cities in Germany especially for logistics field job. Now Harshil, my next question is what is the duration of the course and कितना fees था ये course के लिए?
So the duration of the course is around 2 years, where your 2 semesters basically you have to do in school, and the third or fourth I believe it's internship.
Okay.
And there are opportunities that in the second semester you have like those exchange programs. Not only in Hamburg, you can even go to Canada, France, US. So depending on your colleges you have applied to, you can ask them how it is and how it works for. And coming back to the fees, for 2 years I'm paying around 25 lakhs. That's in a private university, but as she said, the public universities like TUHH and stuff like that are basically free.
Okay.
So people who are lucky to get into a public university, so they have to only pay for their accommodations.
Okay.
That's it. And their food, of course.
Okay. So yes, how to apply, like which universities he said, since he has applied for private universities, his cost was more obviously.
Yeah.
So like he said, there are public universities भी है जर्मनी में, उसका एप्लीकेशन अलग प्रोसेस है, वो मैं अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगी. बट हर्षल ने अप्लाई किया था प्राइवेट में, उसका कॉस्ट उसने अभी बताया 25 lakhs के अराउंड है. एंड आई थिंक दैट कॉस्ट इंक्लूड्स योर stay of cost of living
No,
also
no,
over here.
no.
No,
Yeah, I'm paying extra for my cost of living. That's just my 2 years semester
Okay.
fees.
That is just your 2 years semester fees. And that block account wala amount?
Yeah, that's also separate. Yeah, you have to have a blocked account separately. So it's like a huge investment once you come to Germany.
So guys, yeah, देखा आपने, MBA सीखना is definitely not easy because private university so it's very expensive. He paid 25 lakhs. Not only that, cost of living के ऊपर भी उसने कुछ अलग से block account में I remember the last time he said around 10 lakhs or something.
Yeah, 10 lakhs, yeah.
So उसने उसके ऊपर भी इतना सारा पे किया था. So yeah, this was the total cost if you do it from private universities.
Yeah.
एक rough amount I think 30 to 40 lakhs
Yeah.
पकड़ लो.
Even in India, if you see the MBA cost might be like 10 to 15 lakhs if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
But Indians are always the best. And plus, if you're doing that particular field somewhere abroad in that country which is strong, I suppose we need to go there and have an exposure. So like I have come here to Hamburg. So I feel, it's all upon interest.
Yeah, actually. So overall, यही था the conclusion that there are two types of university, private and public. Public universities से अगर आप करते हो तो you will get there are just tuition fees and the semester fees you have to pay, but private universities से costs. So the next question, Harshil, what kind of experience you require? What are the requirements to learn MBA? What are the entry requirements like
Oh
to
yeah,
apply for
so
this?
basically the entry is not that much. Just I had required only an IELTS of a minimum score of 7.5.
Okay.
That's the minimum. So for any universities, or there if you don't get through IELTS, there's something called a Duolingo test. So that is far easier also for students.
Okay.
So that also might be, and plus you have that in Duolingo. I think the score should be about 95.
Okay. So I know for MBA you also require the work experience, right?
Yeah, so basically if you're a student who is like immediately starting your master degrees after engineering or whatever bachelor courses, then only IELTS.
Okay.
But if you are like a working candidate who has an experience as well, so that would be easier after like for the internship and all, because you already have a certain amount of years that you have worked under someone.
Yeah.
So after coming here, that holds on upon your value of whatever certifications you have on your previous.
And the minimum requirement for MBA, I think you require minimum 2 years of experience.
2 years of experience,
which,
yeah.
As far as I know, it
Yeah.
requires 2 years of experience, and yeah, I think that's it, no?
Yes.
And the another thing I think when you told in the starting, it's better to have the SAP knowledge also.
Yeah, SAP, and as you know, SAP is just for the supply chain. It's like a software for a supply chain management course.
Okay.
There are few universities which help you out.
Hello.
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 Where come from?
From India.
From India.
India. Same here. Oh.
Oh nein, ja. In dieser Zeit es ist ein bisschen schlimm da.
Christian, go to my wife. My wife, make all the way.
So yeah, Harshil, where we actually that person came, वो बीच में से ही आया, वो हम लोग जा रहे थे, तो हम लोग हमारा लिंक खत्म हो गया. I do not know, वो आया पूछने के लिए कि हम लोग कहाँ से है, क्या है. हम लोग ऐसे शूटिंग कर रहे हैं ये पब्लिक प्लेस में, और आज संडे है, वेदर बहुत अच्छा है, तो बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं आज. Actually it was not the right time to shoot, but ठीक है, YouTube के लिए कुछ भी करना पड़ता है.
And as you saw in the previous, an unknown guy came. Yeah, you know Germany.
Yeah.
Germans are basically very friendly. So you wouldn't have any kind of trouble, you know.
So now coming back
Stay
to
here.
our point, Harshil, हम लोग ज़्यादा नहीं तो off track जाएंगे. Coming back to our point, Harshil, SAP, तूने क्या बोला था SAP के लिए?
Oh yeah, sorry for getting distracted, guys.
Yeah.
So SAP is like as you know, supply chain में बहुत is like a very important software for any human being or any students there out. So and there are few colleges which offer the course as well. If it's better to always find out before your admission process or anything. If not, then again the SAP all around the world. If you're taking a private coaching, I think it's the same or it's much expensive across the globe.
Oh.
So
So it's always better to have that knowledge also
Yeah.
to add you to yourself. So that's it. I think हम लोगों ने most of the things cover किया है. MBA के लिए क्या requirements है? What are the requirements of MBA? Which place is better to do supply chain management? This time MBA मैंने सिर्फ supply chain management के ऊपर किया, SCM के ऊपर, because obviously Harshil उसके ऊपर कर रहा है. But I have many of my friends other doing MBA in finance and the other fields. वो भी जल्दी ही मैं कवर करूंगी मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में. सो गाइस डू कीप वाचिंग. एंड अभी हर्षिल के लिए आई थिंक मैंने उसको बहुत सताया. एक वीडियो के बाद मैंने उसको बोला बिकॉज उसके साथ वाला वो वाला वीडियो मेरा थोड़ा चला, सो आई वाज बिहाइंड एंड नहीं, मेरे को और एक वीडियो चाहिए तेरे साथ. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम हर्षिल.
No problem.
बाय द वे, no problem.
No problem.
So would you like to say something? Say subscribe to my channel.
Of course, like, share and subscribe, guys. Don't forget.
Yeah. So thank you so much once again. Na? Bye.
Bye bye.